What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo door check on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the back door. All right, just take this trim piece off. We'll just use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. This is connected right here as well. Slide that off. Some of these trim push pins pop out. We'll have to reinstall those afterwards. Take that off. Those are clipped in. I'll take this trim piece off. It kind of comes out at an angle like that. And it's clipped in on the back side. Same on this side. Just like that. I'll take this panel out, just take a trim tool. Just gonna go around. Pop these trim pieces out. Right there. There's one in right here. There we go. Just go all the way around. Top one's the difficult one. And there's a couple push pins in right there. So sometimes it's easier just to grab it. Pop it out, just use a little force. There we go. Those are locked in right there. It's a wiring harness right here. You disconnect that. It's for the cargo light. Just like that. Oh, and the light right here. There we go. This harness actually goes up to the rear defroster grid. There you go. There's that panel. Right. Just want to take some of this vapor barrier out of the way. I can just take a razor blade or a utility knife and cut some of this butyl tape. You could heat it up with a heat gun if you want to, or just do it this way. Whatever works for you. Sometimes it just peels right off pretty easily. Be careful, don't get it on any of your clothes. It doesn't come off very easily. Just fold it over there, just leave it there for now. We're gonna start by taking these two nuts out. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and a electric ratchet. If you don't have an electric one, you can use a regular one. And put on loosen. Out. Take that one out. All right, then let's take this bolt out. Just use a 10mm socket. I'm using an extension to make it easier. Loosen this up and then a ratchet. Now when you're taking this out, you want to make sure it's either not a windy day or that you support the door, because now the door, without this in position, it's going to be moving all over the place. Or have a friend hold the door for you. Grab the door check and just slide it through this hole. And there you go. Take the door check, just slide it through here. You can guide it to the hole in the door. Right there. Slide that in position. I'm going to start with putting the bolt on first. You could put some thread locker on that bolt if you want to. And then take your 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet, and tighten it down. And just snug it up. That's good. Take the 2 nuts. Get those started. Take your same 10mm socket and ratchet. Tighten these down. Then you're good to go. All right, now we just want to reattach the vapor barrier. Just line it up how it was before when you took it off. Press it down. If you need some more butyl tape, you can add some butyl tape. But that looks pretty good. All right, I'm just gonna take these push clips out. I have this tool that we actually sell at 1aauto.com. It actually works pretty slick. You just slide it in there, pop those out. There's another one right there. All right, for this panel, we'll put these clips back in here. And right there. All right, now we can reconnect this rear defrost. We didn't need to disconnect that, but that's okay. And that should slide in this area. That's actually taped to that. So if you want to retape that, and then connect this light back up, just line the connector up, snap it in. And then just line everything up. Once that's lined up, just push it on. Make sure it's all flush with the vehicle. Put this clip back on there. Line this up over here. Line it up down there, and then line the holes up. Lock it in place. Do the same with the other side. Alright, we'll take these 2 clips out. Just use this tool. Slide those out. Put those in the panel. And just line the panel up. Line all the push pins up. And lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.